Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in PowerPoint, a simple yet powerful way to organize your schedule with a personal touch. Whether it's for planning business meetings or tracking personal tasks, having a custom calendar makes staying organized effortless and even fun. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It doesn't matter which version you're using, the steps are nearly identical across all versions. Once open, either start with a new presentation or navigate to the one where you'd like your calendar to appear. Next, head to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is where you can add most of the elements that bring your slides to life. From the menu, select Table, and a grid will appear. Here's where the magic begins. For a standard monthly calendar, choose a table with 5 rows and 7 columns. This layout gives you 5 weeks and 7 days, perfectly matching the structure of a typical calendar. With your table in place, label the top row with the days of the week, starting with Sunday and ending with Saturday. This simple step gives your calendar a clear structure and makes it easy to see your week at a glance. Now comes the fun part, filling in the dates. Each cell represents a day of the month. Start with the first day of the month in the correct cell, then continue sequentially until your month is complete. Once all dates are added, you can customize your calendar by adjusting colors, fonts, or even adding images to make it visually appealing. A well-designed calendar is not just functional, it's a creative statement. And there you have it, a fully functional, customizable calendar created entirely in PowerPoint. With this guide, you can plan your months efficiently, add your personal style, and even create calendars for any occasion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an easy PowerPoint tip again. Start creating, stay organized, and turn your planning into something visually stunning.